In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bullets on Google Docs. Whether you're drafting an important presentation or just creating a simple grocery list, bullet points can help to organize your thoughts and make your documents much clearer. So let's dive right in and discover just how simple it is to become a master of bullet points in Google Docs. First, you'll want to open up a Google document where you're planning to add a bulleted list. Your document can be anything from a brand new file to an existing one where you're adding new information. Once you're in the document, you'll need to decide exactly where you want your list to begin. Do this by simply placing your cursor at the starting point for your bulleted list. This could be the beginning of a line or even right after some pre-existing text. Positioning your cursor correctly is key because this is the spot where Google Docs will start your list. Next, with the cursor set on your desired starting point, you'll be looking for the bulleted list icon on the toolbar. It's visually represented as 3 dots with lines next to them, making it easy to spot even among the many options available on the toolbar. When you click the bulleted list icon, the magic happens. A bullet point pops up right there, ready for you to start typing. Now the real work begins. It's time to type out your first bullet point. Go ahead and jot down that first item on your list. Once you've completed your thought, simply press the Enter key. This is the wonderful simplicity of using bullet points. Hitting Enter automatically generates a new bullet point underneath the first one, allowing you to continue seamlessly typing your list, no extra clicks necessary. This feature is particularly useful if you're quickly listing out a series of points, as you don't have to keep manually adding each bullet. They appear as you go, making it a very efficient process. As you continue typing and pressing Enter, more bullet points will appear, one after the other. But what if you finished your list and want to move on with the rest of your document without adding another bullet? There's a simple trick for that. Once you're ready to exit the bulleted list format, all you need to do is press the Enter key twice. This double tap of the Enter key signals to Google Docs that you're done with your current list, and it'll drop you back into the standard text format, allowing you to continue crafting your document just as you need. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively manage bullet points in Google Docs, enhancing the organization and readability of your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy document designing until next time.